We're a general service company that does most anything having to do with in-ground pools. We've done everything from renovation, full renovation of hydrozol and plaster finishes, to tumble brick coping and terrazzo finishes. We've done a lot of things with pumps, filtration, plumbing, safety covers, everything there is really water chemistry from A to Z. We specialize, more importantly, in fiberglass structural repair and replumbings of pools. That's what we're known for. So whatever your pool need is, whether it's openings, winterizations and closings, new pool equipment, new pool plumbing, complete renovation of your pool, or fiberglass repair, and even new build installation of concrete, fiberglass, or vinyl liner pool builds, feel free to call Splash Pool Services of Wayne, Michigan.